What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy. I'm gonna get into this video real quick because this phone's literally about to die and I have to go. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We're on our way to 400 subs, as well as comment, because I respond to all my comments. Like this video, share this channel. Let's get more people to join the squad. You see the title, so we about to go over these shoes. And happy holidays to you guys. And yeah, let's get right into it because I ain't trying to take up too much time. Link for the main channel and link for my Instagram. Those two links will be down below in the description. That's it. Let's get right into it. Alright, so off rip, I didn't know New Balance. I mean, I didn't know the hype is there, obviously. But I sold these, so that's why now I'm more pressured to film the video. And I'm literally leaving to go on my weekend vacation for the holidays. So, regular New Balance box, nothing too crazy. This is a men's size 10. I caught this off a restock on Hibbett Sports, and it was a good size. I mean, I should have never refunded the last. I got two, but I didn't sign into one of my accounts, so I didn't trust it to be shipped here with no tracking, no email. I did as a guest, but Apple Pay guest is no email, I guess, listed, whatever the case is. But these I got when I signed in, so I was able to track it. I got a size 10 and the black and white New Balances. I'm not going to show both shoes with these shoes. Just be cut to the chase. Now, mind you, this is like their version of the Pandas. Not really, because it's not the hype. The most hype one recently is the Rich Paul, aka the North Carolina UNC colorways, which I think they should be coming out soon. If you check your accounts, Flex accounts, they should be coming soon. Other than that, this black and white is a solid cop. Everyone was copping these. I'm surprised they actually made me some money. I made like $20 on these. So yeah. Oh my goodness. Either way, yeah, so this is the New Balance 550. I don't think this is a collab. This is literally a solid shoe. Like I said, they have the UNC blue colorway. I think they dropped the black, the orange, and the orange one is the one that goes for the least amount on the resale market. But yeah, so this was a safe bet. At least I cop one. A little quick brick flip, because in reality they're not worth that much, but someone bought it. I made a couple dollars on it, so I'm fine with that. New Balance 550. I mean, I know New Balance is probably rookie of the year. Not rookie, I mean, like, you know, improved player of the year, because they've been dropping hella silhouettes, hella colorways, collabs, all that stuff, and they've been selling. My second everyday sneaker is a New Balance, which is, I forgot which version I got. I forgot literally. But yeah, right here in the flesh. What do you guys think about these? Are you guys a part of the New Balance hype now, the aka dad shoes? But yeah, are you guys part of the wave? Let me know in the comments down below. This is literally the tag for you guys to see it. Either way, yeah, New Balance logo inside. The clean silhouette, black and white. I am going to try to get the baby blue ones, but that's the most limited, rare ones. The Rich Pauls, they call it. But yeah, let me know, did you grab a pair of these when they dropped anywhere? Did you skip on these? Are you one of the people that don't understand the hype of New Balance? Let me know all that stuff in the comments. Either way, like, share, comment. This is just a quick little video to show you guys. New Balance 550s, black and white. Clean shoe. I didn't realize that was a sticker, but yeah, clean shoe. Either way, let me know what you guys think about these. Like this video, comment anything. I respond to all my comments. Happy holidays again. I'll see you guys in the next video. Anything you got to say about it, comment below. Did you like these? Leave a thumbs up on this video. I'll see you guys when I post the other videos or the next videos. Until then, I'll see you guys probably by next year. Not really. I'm going to post something before. I mean, after the holidays of Christmas. But that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. I got to go. Yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next vid. Peace. Oh, yeah, follow me on Instagram.